everybody, it is your girl Sparkle and Shine coming back to you today with another video. I'd like to say welcome to all of my returning viewers and subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to the channel. To all of my newly subscribed people, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate you deciding to join the Sparkle and Shine family. If you have not hit the subscription button yet and you find that you enjoy my content, please feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It helps me in the algorithm, and we would greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So as you can tell, I have a collective haul. I have an unboxing and a bag reveal, and I'm so excited and so happy about this. I cannot wait to show you. So the first thing that I want to show you is an unbagging that I received. It's a bag from Ross, and this bag is, I would call this, if you would say this, my unicorn bag, because I have been stalking and trying to get this bag forever, ever since I first saw it on DJ King's channel. So let me just stop talking and show you what it is. This is the beautiful Karl Lagerfeld dark denim Agnes bag. And I was so fortunate to be able to get this beautiful bag from Ross. This is such a beautiful quality bag. I mean, the denim on here feels so good. The quality of it is really good. So here is the price. What I paid for the bag, $79.99. And I am so happy. Last year, I believe it was last year, DJ King showed this beautiful bag on her channel. And she said that this was after the Coach drop last year. And she found this bag at Ross, and everybody went crazy searching for this bag. I saw it on different websites. On Saks Off Fifth had it, but they wanted $89.99 for the smaller version. So I decided that I would wait it, and I didn't get it. And I was so happy when this year, when Ola May posted on the community post that they have these bags at Ross. They were showing back up. So I want to just take you on a brief tour of this bag. I am so happy that I have this bag in my collection. She is 12 inches in length. She is 7 inches in height, and she is 3 inches in width. So I'm telling you, I'm so happy. So here's the inside of this bag. Here's the 3 card slots on the front wall of the bag. Here is the back zipper pocket. And then here's the Karl Lagerfeld name tag. And I'm telling you, the lining feels even really nice. That's the back zipper pocket. So, and then to top it off, it has this cute little Eiffel Tower charm. And then it has, on the back of the bag, it has this nice, substantial snap pocket. And the snap is really strong. Like the magnet on the snap pocket is really strong. So, yes, this is my beautiful Karl Lagerfeld Agnes bag. I finally secured her. So now that we have shown that one, I want to do this unboxing and show you this beautiful bag. So now I have already opened this bag. I got this bag from I ordered it from Macari, and it came so well packaged. This is how it was packaged. Came from Las Vegas. And this is the bag. So let me take this paper out, this plastic off. Sorry for the noise. Hold on. And here she is. This is the beautiful Michael Kors bag in blush, duffel bag in blush pink. I absolutely love this bag. I love the color of this bag. It is so soft. The color is soft and beautiful. The bag is very structured, and it does not have any zipper pocket on the back, no feet on the bottom, and I only paid like $88 for this bag, and it only has one zipper pull, as you can see. It's only one zipper pull, but it comes with this crossbody strap or the shoulder strap that is the web strap or guitar strap, and it does not have the name Michael Kors written in it anywhere, but it does have Michael Kors on the hardware. So this is a beautiful bag that I was happy to add to my collection. I love barrel style bags anyways, barrel style satchels, and this is such a lovely addition to my collection of handbags. So that's the one unboxing that I wanted to share with you all. And so we'll put that right there. And I'll just leave this right here in frame for a minute. I just love it. It's just so beautiful. So the next unboxing that I have to share with you all is this one. This is the last one. And I am so happy. I'm so happy, so delighted to share this. Oh gosh. This is another, it's been around for a while. You're not going to be shocked at it because it's not brand new. It's been around for a while. But, let's see if I can just tear this off. Okay. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. So, this will be my Marc Jacobs haul. And I hauled two. Let me just show you. Let me show you the box. I hauled two bags. This one and this little one and this little one and this little one. So we will get this all undone for you, and also this one. So I have a huge Marc Jacobs haul, and I am so delighted and excited to share both of these bags with you. So let's unbox this first bag, this first one. Sorry for the noise. Looky, looky, looky. Ooh, y'all, look at these crystals. Look at this sparkle. And look at the shine. I absolutely love this. This is so pretty. Oh, I haven't won this small tote. This is the Marc Jacobs small tote in the crystal, black crystal. And I have been wanting this tote ever since I saw it, ever since it came out. Comes with the dust bag right here. So let me just, you all know what the dust bag looks like. And here is the shoulder strap. This I have been wanting so long. And when it went on sale at Marc Jacobs, I think it was like $150 off. I was like, okay, now's the time. It's time for me to get it. Look at this. It has Marc Jacobs on the shoulder strap or guitar strap. Beautiful, beautiful. It has, let's see, I'm trying to get all of this out of here so that I can take you on a brief tour of the bag. So it has, inside of here, it has this one pocket, and it's a slip pocket right there. Here's the Marc Jacobs, and it has extra crystals they give you. And it has Marc Jacobs right there in the product information right there. So let's put that back in there. And it's just one empty hole. But if you want to put a organizer in there, you can put an organizer in there, a light colored organizer, but it doesn't bother me the color of the interior. I love this bag. It's just so beautiful. And this, I have been watching this bag and wanting this bag for so long, ever since it came out. And these beautiful crystals. Look at these beautiful crystals. And so I will certainly, most certainly, be doing a what's in my bag on this beautiful baby right here. So let me see if I can just get this attached. Try to get this attached right there. Okay, there we are. That's how she looks. And the strap is adjustable. It's very substantial, high quality. And that is my beautiful, beautiful black crystal Marc Jacobs small tote bag. So the next one that I have is this one. Look at this, y'all. This is so gorgeous. What is not to love about this? This is so gorgeous. This one was also on a deep discount on the Marc Jacobs website. I got this one for, I think, $2.30, something like that. And I will link this, but this is gorgeous as well. Now y'all know I love me some crystals and I love me some sparkles. And when I saw this bag go on sale at the deep discount that it went on sale for, I had to add it to cart. So here is, as with the black one, Marc Jacobs is embossed in this strap. It's so beautiful. So nice. And it's made the same way. So I'm not gonna take the time to take you on a tour of this one, because I already took you on a tour of it, of the bag, of the black one. But I just wanted to show you all this beautiful, beautiful, the tote bag, the small one. I didn't want it in the large. This is the darker denim one. Now let me show you. I do have it in this color as well. So I have it in all three of these colors. I have the lighter color denim. I have this color denim. And then I have my black one. Isn't that pretty? That is so, so pretty. Woo! I can't wait to wear them. I just wanted to come on and show you my denim haul. Now, I'm sorry it wasn't Coach, but my denim haul from Marc Jacobs and my bag that I finally was able to secure from Ross, the Karl Lagerfeld Agnes bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about these beautiful crystal Marc Jacobs bags. And as always, never let anyone take away your sparkle or dull your shine. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Hi everybody. So I wanted to also show you all, I'm sorry I forgot to show you this beautiful medium size. I didn't do an unboxing on this one, but this is brand new and I have adorned it with this heart and this palm. This is the trinket, medium size trinket bag by Marc Jacobs. And so I added this one to my collection as well. And then I have these little beauties right here. So these are, let me just show you these. These are just the smaller versions of the tote bags. And these were on sale on the Marc Jacobs website as well. And this is what it looks like. So I got that color. I also picked up this one. Let's see if I can hurry up and get this open for you. I got the black one. And I have one more. And I'm going to come back and do another video on my Marc Jacobs tote collection so that you can see all of the Marc Jacobs totes that I have in my collection. So I just want to take this off and show you the colors that I picked up. So I have all three of these. I have also these in, I have a red one, and I have a lilac one, and I have one in lipstick pink. So these are all my small little Marc Jacobs beauties. So that's it for now. That concludes the video. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, a share, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.